Hello students. The question is it is a 1-ethyl cyclopentene react by 4 reagents. Then what is the product of E? Then student, first of all, the reaction with the ozone. Now, on the reaction with ozone, now you can get the hut-like structure at the double bond. It attack only on double bond, right? I am further make this diagram in this. The breaking of the double bond, it make hut-like structure, right? Now by the reaction of ozone, it make CHO at this carbon and another carbon is double bond oxygen, that means ketone. This is the reaction by the first. Now second, Ag2NH4OH, student, Tollens reagent give test of the aldehyde. That's why it gave COOH. Now this one is a next product. Now NaBH4. Student, NaBH4 is a reducing agent which reduce only ketone, not a acid. Only ketone, right? So student, ketone converted into OH, secondary alcohol. Now in presence of H plus, H plus attack on OH and make a OH2 plus ion, and water molecule is removed, the positive charge come over the carbon. Then student, this positive charge, you can see this positive charge of the carbon connect with the oxygen to make cyclic ring, students, cyclic ring. Then this carbon which have a OH connect with the oxygen, and this oxygen connect with carbon which have ethyl group. Then carbon and this carbon, right? 1 2 3. Now students, this one another connectivity. These are the 3 carbon. Now student, H plus is a catalyst, so it will remove from this structure 1 2 3 4. Students, we can make it oxygen 1 2 3 4, right? And the carbon containing OH, another carbon containing ET, ethyl group. Now H plus is removed as a catalyst for heating, so it create a double bond and make a product is a ester, right? But student, it make by the releasing of H plus ion. Okay, thank you.